Okay, guys, what are we doing today? This is one of my favorite looks, and I've been rocking this for a minute now. No makeup look.
Summer Fenty Face!
Now, I can definitely say when I purchased them, my thoughts were extremely unbiased. I was excited. I thought that they were gonna be,
you know, these amazing blushes.
And I don't know, was I right? Was I right? Did she come through?
Do mine, but make it fashion. Frappes make it happen. Raising businesses and babies in the sweet life of fashion. Yep. So you know it gets crazy. Yep. But I don't let it faze me. Nope. So keep up or be squaler. And welcome to the life of Arieal Taylor. Who? Arieal Taylor. Yep. Arieal Taylor. That's me.
All right, here you guys. That's me. I caught the drop, so when they dropped, I got them. I'm not on the PR list, so this is not a sponsored video.
What?
I was excited to see, because Patricia Bright actually did the first review that I just saw. I didn't end up watching the video, but I saw it, and then I immediately went to Fenty Beauty, and I was like, I didn't even watch Patricia's video. This is how much I love her, okay? I didn't even watch the video. I just saw the title, and I was like, oh, over to Fenty Beauty and snatch those up immediately because I just gotta have them. I love Fenty Beauty, and I'm excited to be able to just kind of like experience Rihanna's creativity. So shout out to you, Riri. I'm part of the Navy. I love you. I just want to say thank you so much for caring about the little people, caring about the fact that when you ship something, you have it safely guarded on top of proper installation for powdered products. It also came on time. The shipping has been kind of crazy just because of the quarantine. What you are here for is this extremely adorable cream blush. Daiquiri. When I dip, you dip, we dip. And isn't that gorgeous? And it comes with its own little mini mirror. It has some protection on it, so I didn't want to take the protection off. And then on the back is just like the daiquiri dip. And because it's like, it looks so bright and vibrant, I was hoping it had a smell, and it doesn't. It doesn't have any smell to it, so it just looks like it should. It just looks like, oh, I just played strawberry daiquiri or whatever. It just looks like it smells really good. I was a little surprised by the packaging though, you guys, because it's like a little tiny box, you know, and I was just like expecting it to be bigger. I didn't look at the sizing on the website.
So that was my bad.
When I got it, I was like, I thought these were gonna be bigger. They look much bigger in the ad, but anyways. So I'm gonna be taking this brush that I use for blush. I got this for a gift from my brother-in-law. Please don't ask me where it's from because I
Do not know.
but I'm going to just take my brush and run it through. I just kind of like messed up my blush with this stupid brush. This brush, I didn't clean it, so that's probably why. Easy fix. It just looks really dewy and pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on my cheeks. I see a little color. Let's kind of get in there with this brush. Just feel like I should blend it out a little. The next color I got is the color Fuego Flesh. And again, I don't know what I expected Fuego to smell like, but it doesn't have a smell. Riri, we're gonna need some, obviously, we're gonna need some smell makeup, please. Oh, Nana, what's my name? Didn't realize I didn't have another clean cheek brush, so I'm gonna have to use this old one. It's missing the bottom, but hey, we're gonna make it work, right? It looks like a cute little kombucha brush. It's getting hair all over my... So Fuego Flush is a little sparkly. It's a sparkly thing over here, glittery thing. I like Fuego. Fuego looks more of like my natural highlight, like my natural face anyways. This is Daiquiri Dip. Fuego. Ooh, my meat.
Let me know which one your favorite. Let me know which one your favorite flavor.
Which one is your favorite? As a bonus in the package for $5, I was also able to get this beauty here. Love the packaging, it's so gorgeous. This is the Fenty Beauty Ginger and Ginger Benji. Whatever. And Moscow Mule. So this is a kilowatt. I think the lighter one, y'all, this is confusing me. I think this is Moscow Mule and Ginger Binge, or either it's the opposite. But I'm actually wearing the Moscow Mule on my nose already and kind of like on my cheeks. This is really pretty. I'll go ahead and swatch this on my skin for you. So we'll do this one first. This color is the Moscow Mule. Oh, honey. Oh, yes. That is gorgeous, guys. Oh, goodness gracious me, oh my. And then this is the Ginger Binge. This next one. Oh, very, very, oh, wow. Beautiful. And those are one swatch. As you guys saw, I didn't add anything on my hand or anything like that. These are gorgeous. Cash rules everything around me. Couldn't get the money. Can we make two-tone cheeks a thing? Because I really like this. Ooh, please don't be mad at me. So my overall thoughts on the cream blush collection, I'm not disappointed, like super disappointed, but I'm not super like, ooh, either. They just could have been a little better. In so many words, it's really creamy, natural pop of just like color. Fuego Flush comes off like a highlighter, like, and I'm looking for blush. And Daiquiri Dip, it has the redness to it, but it's just really harsh. Like, it's not like a soft, like it doesn't blend to a soft red. It's just kind of harsh a little bit. So maybe like if you play around with it, blend it in a little, maybe try just to use your fingers to pack it on, you know, a little light like that, or, you know, in this area, that the color would be a little bit more forgiving on the skin. It's creamy, like it says, it definitely is creamy, but I think that it probably needed a little bit more work with the formula and the color payout. Overall, I like it, you know, it's nice, it's a cream, so it probably would look a little better if I had used less and just kind of like, you know, light, but it's not made for much. And then I was a little bit disappointed on the price range and how big the product was, but that's just my take on it. That's how I feel about it. You don't have to feel that way. I'm just telling you guys my opinion. This is just my review. I love Rihanna to death, and sometimes, you know, we want to worship everything that people do and not be honest. I'm gonna be honest with how I feel about something, regardless if I love this person or not. You know what I'm saying? And I just think that the formula could have been a whole lot better, but you know, I'm not the one making it. That's just my feedback. So let me know in the comment section below if you have tried the cream blushes and what color was your favorite. If we're the same skin color complexion, which one did better for you? I have like more dry to mild, not really oily skin at all. It's more like mildly dry to normal skin. So this is what it looks like for me. So I hope you all enjoy my quick review on the cream blushes glittery gang. Click subscribe down there. That's right, glittery gang. I want to see you guys here next week and every single upload and everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.